Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed different types of blood groups and identification of blood group in human beings. Now we are discussing another important topic, muscle tissue. It is also known as muscular tissue. Children, in animal body, mainly four types of tissues are present. They are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Okay, children? Muscle tissue is responsible for movements in our body. Muscle tissue is responsible for movements in our body. Okay, children. Muscle tissues are the tissues. They are also useful for the movements in our body. Okay, children. Muscles are responsible for the movements of the hands and legs, and they are also of several internal organs such as intestine and heart. Okay, children. Small amount of muscle tissue is also present in blood vessels. So, these muscle cells or muscle tissues helps in increasing and decreasing the diameter of the blood vessels, and thus the blood and food flows in intestine and blood vessels. Children, in our body, heart is also made up of one type of muscle cells. These muscle cells are known as cardiac muscles. In our body, heart is made up of one type of muscles. It is known as cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle. What is the main function of the heart? Heart helps in pumping of the blood. What is the main function of the heart in our body? Heart play a important role in the pumping of the blood in our body. Okay, children. What are the functions of muscles? Muscles are responsible for the movement of our hands and legs. Hands and legs. Muscles are also present in several internal organs. Several internal organs like intestine and heart. What is the importance in internal organs? What is the importance of muscle in internal organs? Like intestine and heart. These muscles helps in increasing or decreasing the diameter of the intestine and blood vessel, and thus the food and blood flows in the intestine and blood vessels. Okay, children. In our body, heart is also made up of one type of muscles. This muscle is known as cardiac muscle. What is the importance of heart in our body? Heart helps in pumping of blood in our body. Okay, children. In next class, we will discuss another important topic, structure of heart. Okay, children. Thank you.